everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a summertime event dress haul. What does that mean? What do you mean? I haven't done a haul in a long minute, and summertime's around the corner, and I know that there's a lot of events coming up. I have weddings coming up, communion coming up, and I mean summertime is all about going out, barbecues, beach, cool, you name it. So I decided to do a little bit of shopping. I love how I'm doing this video makeupless and in gym clothes. That's my life. To get started, I have this amazing package from Boohoo. Let's see what we got. Like I said, I haven't even looked at it yet. Alright. We can start off with the Boutique Sarah Crochet Lace Bodycon dress. This one is more of a tight bodycon crochet dress. I love it. It's super cute, very detail-y, very nice detailed stitching. I got this in a size small. I think this is super cute for like a communion or a wedding. It's super nice, super simple because you don't need anything else. Just a nice pair of heels and you're done. But I love it. I love how it hugs my curves. I love the color, very neutral and perfect for like a semi-formal wedding. It goes all the way to your neck, so it's a nice little like turtlenecky. And then short, not too short. Very good, like right above your knee. But I like it. I love this one a lot. Super adorable. Here we have a high neck split leg maxi dress. I love this dress. I love the material. It's really perfect. The only thing I don't like is just I am a 5-foot girl, so as beautiful as it is, my slit is like right where my knee is, and I think it's a little weird. Also, it drags. It's super long, or at least on me. It's super long, but very pretty, maybe with a pair of heels. So my body isn't really for this dress, but I love it. It's so nice, so pretty. I think this is very formal. This is from a more higher end type of wedding. I love it, or any type of a big event, definitely. It's like a nice periwinkle type of color. I wouldn't wear this for a hot day, a really hot day, just because although the material feels great, I feel like it's a very sweaty type of material if it was like 80 degrees outside. I think it's super beautiful, but again, for a more taller girl, not me, I think this is going to be a dress that I will be returning. Nice open back area as well. You would need just like a cup type of bra, but that's so easy to find nowadays. I won't be wearing this to my event, but I really love it. It's so pretty. It's another dress that really is nice and tight and shows off your curves where it must. Super pretty. I just wish it was, the slit was a little higher, and I wish the bottom wasn't as long as it is. I mean, look, that's a lot. That's a lot for me. From what I bought at Boohoo, and all I can say is wow, this dress is absolutely beautiful. I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm gonna be wearing to my event. I love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. The color, super beautiful. The print is very the colors are very pastel-y, which is very perfect for a wedding. Just like colors are very nice, natural colors, very nice natural wedding colors naturally, and I love it. Like, look, it's like a nice periwinkle color, just like the other crochet dress, but it has flowers all over it. It's very spring wedding. I freaking love it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the way it just hugs your body like it. It's very, very nice. Not too tight, comfortable. The top is an off the shoulder. I don't have to worry about raising or lowering my arms. It doesn't move at all, which is great because other shirts have this like rolling up, rolling down. It's horrible. But this one, it stays in place and I love it. It's so cute, so pretty. Pretty sure this is the one I'm gonna be going for because I love it. You can wear a regular bra, but just strapless, a regular strapless bra, super uncomplicated, nice, maybe black heels, maybe nude heels, will look very pretty with this outfit, maybe some silver jewelry, but I love this dress. Absolutely perfect. I think we have a winner, honestly. Could it not? It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Material's super soft. Don't feel like I'm suffocating at all. It's stretchy and pretty. It's not too short either. It goes right past my knee and it's not too long. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I think we have a winner. I don't know. What do you think? Jumpsuit I got from Lulu's. I love it. It's a beautiful royal blue color. It is, again, a jumpsuit. It's a nice low V-neck, but it covers exactly how it's supposed to be, so you don't have any like weird accidents going on. For this jumpsuit, I would wear just like the tape cup bras on, and a nice long necklace. The back is really nice and crisscrossed, but it's nice and thick, so it covers a lot of your back as well. I think it's super, super pretty, super nice. It's also nice and tight, so it hugs your curves as well. This is one of my favorite jumpsuits from Lulu's. I think the material is also very nice and very soft. But again, I wish it was for a 5-foot girl. Like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, with this, I'm pretty sure I can maybe get away with it with heels, but it's a lot of extra legroom here. Like, no. Would have to tailor this, but this will look absolutely beautiful for a nice, little bit curvy girl, taller than this one over here. Super pretty for any type of event because you can either dress it up, dress it down, really nice silver heels and silver accessories, or, but I would wear this for any event, wedding, formal, semi-formal. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's absolutely beautiful. I really, really love it. It's not too revealing at all. It's simple, beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love this. But again, this would be not for me, more for a person taller than me. Here we have our last piece from Lulu's. This is a 2-piece set. Comes with this cute crop top with complete lacing in the back and these cute printed shorts that are high-rise. So there's not really much to show here from your stomach. Makes it really nice and pretty. This is so cute for maybe a semi-formal party, a pool party, a beach party. I think this is very nice. Pair it up with some cute, really cute heels or just sandals for everyday wear, and I think it's perfect for the summer. I love the decor. It looks like something that you would see in like the Coco movie or something. It's beautiful. It's like nice and like tribal, colorful, flowery, very summer, pure summer. I love it. It's very, very cute, super comfortable. People with smaller top area or boobs, I would recommend not even wearing a bra. I don't have one on right now and it feels super good, super secure. I love it. The best part is that you can adjust the sizing with the straps, so whether you want it to be tighter, looser, you can control that, and there's a lot of room for you to control it. Another great thing is, since this is a crop top and this is a high top, you're not really showing much of your stomach area, so you're pretty much safe. It's pretty cool. It covers your belly button, but it shows you really nice. It shows you a little bit of your core, which is super nice and slimming. I really love it. It's not too tight either. I love it. These colors are so pretty. The print is so cute, and this is probably my go-to for the summer. I love it. But I love it. It's super cute. And that it concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it. I can't wait to figure out what it is I'm going to wear for my event. I'll try to vlog the event if I can, since I really don't do much, and I did promise you guys I would vlog whenever I did do something. So we'll see how that goes. And if you haven't already, don't forget to please subscribe here below. Give me those thumbs up because that helps your girl so much. And leave any comments below on which dress you think I should wear for the wedding. I hope you guys have a great week. Enjoy, go nuts, have fun, live life, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!